Yeah, look at my trophies. Hey, where you going? The Cremwood Forest. Oh, yeah. Barreled shield bust up. Like, here's another example of this song is great. This level looks great. You know, look at this. It's just that it's weird to be a monkey going around a redwood forest instead of a jungle forest. So, you know, that's why it's like thematically Donkey Kong Country 3 fits less. And it's almost more like, well, we had these ideas and we're just gonna put them in whether or not they work. You know, I guess it's each individual thing, each disparate element is fine, but altogether they just don't mesh as well. Maybe that's the takeaway. Okay, I guess there are some secret things, and, you know, but it's still different because, like, okay, you could see that there's a banana behind there, so like, okay, there's a hidden wall to destroy, as opposed to just having to, like, oops, you know, be like, this is the one I must destroy, and it has a thing in it. So, not that way. How do I go back down? Like that. But yeah, overall, bonus stuff definitely better. Okay. Let's not get sniped at the last one this time. Yeah. Now this is it's similar to the second game, you know, where in that one you got the bonus tokens to pay Clubba, and he'd let you into the secret lost world. In this one, there's only one lost world entrance, and then you're paying a guy to, like, for dynamite charges to clear the way for each level. What else is there? I saw that banana right down thereabouts. Ah, that guy's cute. Ah, I missed something. Let me down. Down. Ah, there. That's how you. Ah. Yes. What else have I not talked about that I talked about the first time? I think I've been over pretty much everything that's not level specific. Ow, indeed. Then we helicopter to victory. Okay. Oh yeah, this one is. Also, I do like that, you know, the bonus games themselves are a little more mixed up, that it's, you know, these grab the banana ones. I mean, obviously, both the second game and the third game are better than the first game, where it's just, you know, yeah, here's, you know, get an extra life, get some bananas, whatever. And then, like, okay, you have to do a challenge, like, you know, beat the bad guys, get the stars. You know, now it's not just, like, get from the front of the level to the end of the level, doing something like, you know, getting these bananas. It's like testing your platforming type of stuff. So that's fun. I'm trying to see, are there any more? Oh. Shh, Kongs, I'm on my last life and you're breaking my concentration. Are we, is there? If you bump into Cranky, tell him to stop wasting his money on Swanky's bonus games. I don't think there's really as many Easter eggs in her thing as there were in Cranky's in the second game. Anyways, we'll continue on. Riverside Race. We'll come back and... Yeah, so 115 is, I think it's Brash is the guy's name. His best score, which we will beat. We have to, but... We'll not beat it the first time for sure, just so we can, talk to him. Because, if you beat it, you just go straight to the you beat his score conversation. We want to go over there, I think. Dixie, we gotta be you. It is kind of weird, like, you're being chased by these, stinging, biting insects or whatever, when you're doing a level that already has a time limit. I mean, not in the sense that, like, you won't die if you don't do it, but... in the level that's already timing you, why have something chasing you? Yeah, and these games are interesting because it's very, how easy or hard they are can be based entirely on luck. Which is both annoying but also kind of fun because it's not going to be the same each time. You jump into like the find all the stars one. The stars are always in the same spot. That one, maybe you have to keep jumping across that fish each time there's a banana. But maybe, maybe the second time you try it, that's the other way through the cave. Got it. The second time you try it, like half of them are going to be on the same side. You never need to move. So, it mixes up what you've got to do. And we got to get up there. Ah. Okay, we didn't have to get up there. We just wanted to get up there. Oh, you guys are back. Hello. I didn't see you over here. I thought you were gone. Oh. Getting for secrets. Nice. Ability. Oh, invincibility barrels are back. Bash the baddies. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 baddies. Well, now the baddies bashed us. Swim, little monkey. Yeah, we think we need to go up there. Yeah, that's where the hero coin is. But I don't have a Kiddy Kong. Yeah, that's how you do it, but it doesn't work. Oh, I guess we backtrack until we find a DK barrel. I guess we backtrack and hope we find a DK barrel. Otherwise, I'm gonna look. Hey, I don't look stupid at all. I look like a genius. As I nearly jump into the stinging mass of red. What are they even? Like, they're bright. I guess they're just supposed to be like, oh, where'd they go? I was gonna say super tiny versions of the buzzsaw bees. Alright. And now we go roll. I don't need that. That's not gonna help us. Yeah. Well, they don't really have the buzzsaws on them, but I don't know what they're supposed to be. Angry. They don't like flags. They're just like, ah, they touched the end goal. We have to leave. Squeals on wheels. Yes. Get a rat on a little hamster wheel. Fill up a bar. Fill the bar up all the way. Open a door. Oh, look at that. So many squeals needed. get out of the way. You're not part of this level. It wasn't squeals on crocodiles. Ah, I did not like that look. Yes, and I mean, I guess I didn't mention it because it didn't cross my mind. Just like both the other games, one of them carries a barrel out in front of them. Well, yeah, and one carries a barrel above them. Interesting that it's changed, because in the first game it was Donkey Kong who would carry the barrel above his head, because he's, you know, big, strong, and lifts it the whole way. And, you know, it was Diddy Kong who was like, ugh, carrying it in front. You know, now it's big, strong guy is lifting it in front, and she's lifting it via her ponytail. Oh, which way am I going? Oh, okay. I guess you had to... I don't know. Yeah, and I think they use this exact same room, but just with a gather the bananas as the other one in this level. I'm saying that now. You can mark me down if I'm right or wrong about that. But I'm fairly certain I'm right, since I did play this game just a couple weeks ago. Well, you know, I played the first part of the game. I was gonna say first half, but I didn't even make it halfway. Okay, that... I mean, you can do that again in this game. Per the norm. What? Oh. Yeah. All right. Bananas? Told you. Jump. Jump. This one not so bad, because it's just jumping back and forth. Nothing to, like, run into. Yeah. Yeah. One more. Thank you. Now we... Oh. Now we need this, because... Boo. Boo. Yeah. Trying to do it from below a lot easier than the side. Hey, you guys I can just get rid of. Everyone knows green bees are weaker. That's just like biology. I majored as a biologist, and I know the one thing I remember from my days in undergrad are that red bees are stronger than green bees. This is Biology 101. I don't know, I'm not a biologist. Maybe that's biology like 102. Maybe that's not intro level knowledge. Don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just trying to beat this level. Saying whatever comes into my head. Okay, over there. Yeah, sure, get rid of those guys. Yeah. You... Oh, come on, how is that not filled yet? Alright, so... There we go. That's the final door. If you recall, there was a door way below that we couldn't get it. That's also linked to that one, and so do we have to backtrack through the whole level? No, we just go like this. And then we're home free. Oh yeah, this guy. So you can just run into him, all right. So that's kind of an interesting, although slightly annoying, is both. You know, if I do well, it's great. If I do poorly, I don't like it. Animal buddy of it doesn't change how you play the same way the other animals do, but it, you know, it, what am I trying to say? It's like taking candy from a baby. Well, I am a toddler. Okay, so, yeah, this one is nice because it doesn't, have anything to do with the luck Cranky gets on where the placement of the targets are. Just so long as you can hit all your targets, you'll be fine. You know, maybe you can miss one and still get there first. You know, it's it doesn't punish you for Cranky's luck. That's what I was trying to get at. So that's why the race to 25 is the most consistent one if you want winnings. Like, yeah, the head-to-head is the fastest if you get lucky, and he doesn't. You'll need to blow on your targets for them to fall over. I mean, look at this guy. He's got a lot of breath. He got some big lungs. All right, it's like Perry, the parallel peregrine or something like that. But yeah, it doesn't change how you play, but you have to pay attention to 2 platforming sections at once. And I find that interesting. Yeah, these guys are cute. That guy is okay. But like, even arachnophobes can't be that scared of these little dudes. Look at them. They're just little kind of angry spiderlings, like little jumpy spiders. I mean, in that they are literal, yes, they are literal small and they are jumping, but that's not what I meant. Yes, Squawks is back. So Squawks has been in all the games like Guard. That said, you know, the first game only carried the lantern. So as a playable animal buddy, Guard's the only one. As a generic animal, Squawks joins the ranks. Whoa, okay. Oh, this one. Yeah, this. Definitely some luck involved. I mean, like, you can, you know, win no matter what it gives you. It's just luck in how easy it is. Because the ones underneath, that's a problem. No Squawks, you say. Well, it's too bad for you. I want some squawkins. Again. Up. Okay. Yes. Got one well so far. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Give me them bananas. Yeah, also, that they finally put green bananas in the game, because I know at least one person in real life who prefers, and not that green, you know, that green would be too much for even them, but they prefer green bananas over yellow banana. I think it's weird, but, you know, to each their own. So now the game represents their banana interest too. And I guess, you know, you can't be mad about that. I mean, you can be mad about anything you want, but it'd be a silly thing to be mad about. Well, like that's a good thing to be mad about. All right. Ooh. Oh, whoa. Okay, I mean, I need to switch so that I can pick up Dixie. And go like this. Aha. Oh, okay. There we go. And then you switch back to get up and get it. Yeah. Maybe the DK coins are much more interesting this time around. The guy himself, kinda dumb. But what you do to get him, kinda awesome. Hey, switch. Did I get? EMT? No, just a shortcut. Okay. Well, then that was pointless to go back there. And I went down it. Barrel. What does barrel for? Ah, oh, nothing, I guess. Just a protection barrel. Protection. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Big, I guess I need to throw to get up there, but there's this super angry Woody Woodpecker about. That's not. Alright, 30 stars. Yeah. There's basically two ways you can do that. You can either like you jump down on one side, get all of them, go back quickly, or do the slow method, get all of them on one time down, but you can't mix and match. You don't have time for that. It is like, my turn for an end. Now seems like a good time to say. Oh, well, now seems like a good time to talk to Brash. Yes, it is Brash. Yeah, it's Banana Brain Kongs. What do you think you're doing coming into Brash's cabin without asking? See that riverbank race? I ran that in 1:15. You can do it in double the time. Call that a decent time on the riverbank? I've given people bigger head starts than that and still won. Look at all these fine trophies. The only way you'd ever win one's if they gave them away in cereal packets. I like that you just walk out. It's just like, yeah, look at my trophies. Hey, where you going? Now we'll go and beat the time. To be fair, I think it said it was like our time was like 3:20 something, which is less than half the time. So he's wrong about that. It did not take us double. So one of the keys is using, I guess it doesn't really matter. You don't need to go up. I don't think it's gonna be that much faster. Using your roll to hit people, get a speed boost. Too far. That's right. Still doing 5 seconds better than Brash. Yeah, look at that speed boost. Oh, could have skipped that. Eddie, I don't know that that connects over the top. I think we had to go underneath. Okay, jumping over those. Gee, I wish that I could beat Brash. Oh, wait. Yeah. Now we go back and talk to him. Hello. What? You can't have beaten my time. I've held that record for the last 2 years running. You've made me so angry I could. You can do that. Throw a temper tantrum. Like a little baby. A little baby with a lot of strength. So we can use that later. Anyways, now, have you just made a bear very angry? Take a hydration break. Water. Cream soda. Doesn't matter. Get some liquids in you. If you're watching this, then you need more liquid. Oh, right. Can't go down there. There's a bad guy about. Now you get to do the best part of Oh, I was like, how do I do it again? It says literally right there. L and R. Now, yeah, here's another thing. Like, so, okay, you're in the northern cremisphere. Okay, that's fine. Why is there like a barracuda following you? Like, couldn't you even made it like a giant catfish or something? Anyways, why complaining about the fish aside, playing as Ellie getting the water is pretty great. Okay. Let's make a bridge. Make a bridge. Okay. 2, I guess. Ah. A shoo-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-wop-wow. And the hook. But I want water. Guess I should have saved my hydration break for now. Maybe we'll just have to take another one. And one for the road. Oh. I was gonna use that guy, apparently. Ellie, I'm sorry, but that was a pretty cute sound. I can't. So can I not do this when there's water in my snout? The answer is you still can, somehow. Oh yeah, you instantly fill up on water when you jump in the water. That's nice. So, I know we just had one, but you need another hydration break. Are you an elephant standing on a barrel? Water break. Don't spit it out your nose though, like she does. That's less than helpful. One of these I know you can use your inertia of being an elephant falling from the sky to, since you know Ellie swims. There it is. Here we go. Okay, let's go that way, and then you go boink, boink. Just use that momentum to carry you down to the bottom where the treasure might be found. I was so busy rhyming that I didn't have time for paying attention to minigames. All right, this time minigame features more winning, less rhyming. 1, 2, 3 jumps. 4 jumps to get on, yeah. Either way, 4 jumps. Can I do it? Apparently not, but then apparently so. Boop, boop. All right, we got that jump, that. Jump over there. Big fat robin eating a barrel, like now. I feel like most of my, yeah, I can just go like that. I don't even need the barrel. I feel like most of my viewer base is North American, but in case you are not from North America, you know, United States, Canada, or, you know, Northern Europe, there's, you know, some Northern Europe vibes here too. But a robin that big, this huge, comically inflated bird that has a barrel inside it, is 100% true. Just look outside, you'll see birds, you know, the size of a car, just like, because they're, you know, ate too much. And you hit them and they're just like, bloink, and, you know, a giant metal barrel pops out. Oh. I was busy making up facts about birds. I wasn't paying attention. Oh yeah, and speaking of birds, banana birds, totally a thing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that one didn't add one. So I guess they don't add one every time, just progressively. Yeah, banana birds. There's one right out there, right outside my window. It's a banana, but it's also a bird. So yes, this game is 100% accurate. Right, another boss. So okay, standard boss, and that's like it's a boss. You hit it with barrels. But I mean, you know, and it's more mechanically interesting that it's like, you know, bouncing and then you have to get up here. But it's also weird because A, look at that face. What? I mean, look at the design. And B, it shoots out little snot bubbles, eh? Now, yeah, it's probably supposed to be like it's a spider shooting venom, but I mean, they look like flubber. That's not venom. That's someone's nose snot that they're shooting. Oh, hey, I'll cheat my way up here, thanks. Oh, thank you. Ah! So, okay, that's what Dixie Kong, she does her same thing in the second game. I'm sure we will find Kitty Kong at some point. Alright. Boom. Ugh, man. Bosses so far, they've been gross. You got a burping barrel and a nose-blowing spider. That's not alliterative. I gotta think of a better way to say it. And you got a burping barrel and a sneezing spider. No. Okay, actually, I guess I just put it down. Wait. Then it can't destroy it. Aha! We got a bandage. Or duct tape or something. So now the game represents their banana interest too.